everyone, my name is Rhonda Robson and welcome to my Fluid Art channel. Today's video is another one that I've done with similar colors to the past two, and I'll link those in this video up above, but they're similar colors. They're actually for my master bedroom. I still plan to varnish them or I might resin them. I haven't decided yet. And here they are. So it was a Dutch pour and I really like them, nice and subtle. It's kind of hard to see a little bit, but I'll make sure I've got some pictures with this light. But I really like the subtleness of the gold and the green and the gray in this one. So thanks for joining me today. Let's get you down on the canvas so you can see these Dutch pours. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. That way you can get a notification when I get a new video up. All right, well, let's get you down on these canvases. Bye for now. Bye. Okay, as I start this piece, I wanted to tell you guys that I used some paint that I had mixed up, and it had, from the paint that I used, had a lot of lumps. And so this particular one, I tried to strain out all the lumps, but I didn't get that taken care of. Now you can see as I'm blowing it out that it's way too thick for a Dutch pour. But I'm just going to continue to go. Just nice fun lessons that we learn as artists, and just use it for the next time. Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching and have a great day.